how to allow or don't allow car information permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down to and click on more privacy settings. After click on more privacy setting, scroll down and you will see permission manager is here. So click on permission manager. So after click on permission manager, scroll down to and click on additional permissions. So after click on additional permission, so you will see first option is car information. So click on car information. So you will see allow on and not allow. So if you want to allow car information permission, so click on no app allowed. So if you want to don't allow car information permission, so click on no app. So after click on this option, you will see don't allow. So click on this option allow. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or don't allow car information permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.